Hi, I'm Brian Rose. I'm Product Manager for Weighing and EID here at Gallagher. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about our exciting new product, the W-0 weigh scale. We're pretty excited to have it out. It's our new entry-level weighing product for those farmers out there who are just after a nice and simple device for getting going weighing their animals. Alright, let's take a closer look. So we have our W-0 scale, our quick start guide, the instructions to get you started and going, our mounting bracket, and a few bolts and screws to get you started, so we can put that onto a rail or a post or onto a steel pole, and then our charging cable in there to charge your battery back up on your scale. So the scale is a pretty robust design. We put a lot of effort into spending time with our farmers and making sure that the product's going to withstand the environment that it's going to be used in. It's waterproof, it's sealed and dustproof, and it's going to be handled being thrown around a bit as well. It'll weigh in kgs and pounds. All we need to do is hold down a button here and it'll cycle between both those units of measure. The other really cool feature on this one is it's got Bluetooth low energy as part of the product, so you can connect this weigh scale through to the Gallagher Animal Performance App, and you can then have the weights coming through live as you weigh the animal and see it come through on the app, and you can also enter a visual ID number for that animal as well to keep that record for later on. Keep an eye out for the W-0. We're pretty excited to get that into the market, and we're really hoping that farmers will enjoy the product that we've got here. Gallagher have quite an offer in the weigh and EID space, and if you'd like to learn more about this product or more within our range, then go to am.gallagher.com and have a look.